Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy to be back. So today, I know it's been a while. I had a lot of orders to fill in January and February. So now that we're in March, I have to start doing some more videos, and especially spring is on its way. Easter is just around the corner. So I decided I'm going to do a Deco mesh wreath. So I'm going to show you what items we're going to be using today. I'm using 4 colors. So of course you have to have your wired wreath. I chose these 4 colors here today. It's sort of like a light purple, a fuchsia pink, blue, teal, it's like a teal blue, and fluorescent, not neon green, but it's like sort of like a metallic green. It's very, very nice. So I'm using these 4 colors here. And what we're going to be doing, oh yes, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. And then I got some Easter eggs. These are metallic. I got those at the dollar. Very cute. And I'm not sure at the end of the wreath, because this is the first time I'm doing this. So I did Easter wreaths before, but it's with the accessories, with the Christmas balls and stuff like that. So ornaments, yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do this bunny or this one. So I thought they were so cute, and I says, oh my God, I says that would be really, really, really nice. Easter, they're just so adorable, you know. So, and what else? Of course, my glue gun, just in case we need it. Of course, if I'm going to use the eggs, but I'm not sure how it's going to look. So it might look very, very nice, and I don't have to add anything. And sometimes you can add flowers. And I know a lot of people, they like flowers. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment as you wish, and share this video. You are more than welcome. So what I did is I took the liberty to do most of my pieces. So what usually some people they do, they put the Chanel stems on the wreath. I decided to do the contrary. So I just did my pieces in advance, and I'm just going to put it on the wreath. So it boils down to the same thing, really. So usually you would have 4 pieces on each. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Yeah, you got 6. So you would have 4 each. So 2 on the inner and 2 on the outer here. So I'm going to show that to you. But before I start, and I chose the Chanel's, the cute little Chanel's, Chanel stems. I used yellow because I didn't have yellow on these ones. My other wreath I'm going to be doing right after this, I'm going to be doing another video on another wreath. And I'll probably use white Chanel stems, but this one I'm using yellow. It's like a neon yellow. Very cute, very springy. You have to encourage yourself in the springtime, because you know the nice weather is coming and it's just around the corner, and everyone is so anxious. I know I am. to be able to go and sit outside, which is going to be wonderful. So what I did is, you could do the way you want, the color that you want. So what I did is I have, so you have purple, pink, green, and blue. So you have the 4 colors, and you can do the, how would I say that? The color that you want. If you want blue first, then you want the green, then you want the purple and the pink. You choose the order that you would like. So me, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be doing. So I took the liberty of cutting all of my pieces in advance because it takes time. So I cut them at 8 inches. So these are 6 inches here. And then I took it and I cut it at 8 inches. I measured it with a ruler, and I put all 4 of them together, and then I would cut 8 inches every single time. So I come up with all my pieces. So if you choose 4 times 6 is 24 pieces. And I have a lot more than that. I just want to be prepared. So you cut that in 8 inches and away you go. So we'll just put that aside and I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So you take the 4 pieces, of course, and you have to go to the opposite side, not the curling side, but the opposite side. And you have to scrunch it. That's what they call it, scrunch. So you go to the middle of your deco mesh, and then you just take your fingers here, and you just scrunch, 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 scrunch. This is all you do. Now you hold this piece. I know it's hard to do all 4 of them, but that's what you have to do. So you take the middle, and you scrunch again. Like this. 2, and you have to really hold it. You have to have good fingers for this. And 3. Now, which one didn't use? I think it's pink one. I think I mixed them up. Okay, so you do the pink one. So you scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. You go in the middle, and then you go here. So what you do is you take your chenille stem, and like I said, it's up to you if you want to do it on the wreath and just put your pieces one at a time. That's totally up to you. Secure it, and then you just separate them to make it really nice. So basically, this is your piece. I know it looks kind of funny, but when you have it on the wreath and you have it all together, it looks very, very pretty. Very springy, and so I'm going to show this to you again, just to make sure. Oops. They're very sticky, these things, so just be careful. And it's very messy, I have to tell you. I had to do the vacuum for about half an hour afterwards. I was down my pieces yesterday. So here's 2, scrunch, 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 right in the middle. 2. And I have to say, I went to the dollar the other day, and these wreaths here, I found a smaller one, a very small one. I think it's like a 6-inch one. So that's very exciting to me because there's a lot of people that they ask a wreath for their doors, but they want a smaller one. So I'll probably do a video on that one also. It's going to be short and sweet, but I always say short and sweet like me. Not everybody agrees, but I will just say. So, and here we have it. Look at that. Very, very cute and pretty. Sort of looks like a butterfly and a flower all at the same time. So, and here you have it. So now we will start doing the wreath, and I'm anxious to see if I'm going to choose any bunnies because they are just so cute. Like, look at this, you know, look at the faces on those. Isn't that really, really cute? Kids love these things, you know, and so do adults, of course. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my first one. And like I said, you start to the 2 inner and 2 outer. So there's 4 pieces here. I'm going to go to the 2 inner inside, the second inside, and the second on the outside. So let's just try and see how it works. So this is my first time doing this one, like I said, but I'm sure it's all going to work out. And then you twist it. We'll fix the ties after. There's nothing rushing on that, but I'll just fix the ties after. So you get 2, 1, yep. So I do 1 up, I'll do 1 down. 1 up, 1 down, just to make it even. So you have to twist, you have to make sure that you're right on the bottom, and then take another one. I hope this works out. An inner one. you know what? I love doing deco mesh. I think those are the best things that they ever invented, they ever created, the deco mesh. Don't get me wrong, with the ornaments and stuff like that, the accessories, it's absolutely gorgeous, but the deco mesh, there's so many colors and it's just so pretty, you know? And my God, I could do these wreaths like all the time and I would never get bored. Mind you, I wouldn't have time for anything else, but. All right, look at this. Look how pretty that is. See that? Very cute. I didn't think it was going to be that cute, but it's very, very cute. Now, like I said, I might add an extra one. I'll see at the end. If I need to add an extra one, I will. So let's just go to the other second one. I'm going to do it again just to show you. So I go to the inner one, wrap it all up. And by the way, my Chanel stems, I cut them in half. Like you don't need to use the whole because it's just these little things. And basically, you don't need to. And you know what? It's so much fun. You prepare all of your pieces in advance. And then when you do your tutorial, your piece is already done. So it goes really, really, really fast. I mean, you still have to explain how you do it, but wonderful. I was actually looking for different colors and I went online to go and see if I could order multiple colors and they were all out. So I had to improvise. So my next one, I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use very similar colors, but I am going to use different colors. Make it very, very pretty. I think my other video, I'm going to do one with the hoops, the Deco mesh hoops. I don't know what they call it, but I call them hoops. And voila. Actually, I think I did one of those at Christmas. And there you go. See that? Very, very pretty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, this is what it looks like now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? Very pretty. So I'm going to continue doing that all around, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back. So here it is. Very, very, very pretty, very poofy. Look at that. So I have to tell you, I added one more piece to every one. I just thought it gave it that extra poof, and I love it. And it turned out very, very, very pretty. See that? Very, very nice. So what you do is you just like fluff it. Just make sure that it's all covering all the holes. Turned out very, very nice. I love the colors. It's so Eastery. So, okay, so now I decided I'm going to put 6 eggs. Now, these are cute little eggs that I got. They're metallic. And I just thought they were the cutest things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in order. So I'll put 2 blues, 2 metallic greens, and 2 pink ones. So basically, I'm going to be using 6 of them. So I'm going to glue that. Make sure I'm just going to see. I'm going to put it right here. Make sure that it's even. 2 pinks. I'm going to put 2 pinks. like this. Two pinks like this. Actually, I should have put the two blues here. Put it here, and I'll put the green here. This, and like this. There we go. Makes it a little bit more even. So what do you think? See that? So these are my 6 eggs. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put a little bunny. I was thinking of putting this one here. This one's really, really, really cute. And it really stands out because all the other colors, if I put blue and purple, I already have blue and purple. So if I put the white, it's a contrast, you know? And look at that. See how pretty that is? I think it turned out really, really, really nice. And you know what? I'm not even sure if I'm going to put a bunny or if I'm going to put a bow. I'm not sure, but I will decide, and you will see it by the picture what I decided to do. I'm going to try it out either or, but I think just with this here right now, it is very, very pretty. And I might just put a bow. I might just do a bow. Like I said, this is my first time, so I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. And see, my bunny wants to get hung up. He's following me. So here it is. See that? Very, very pretty. That's going to look really, really nice on a door. Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit that icon bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And let me know if you like it. If there's something that you would like me to do, please comment, let me know, and I will try to do it. Thanks everyone for joining me today. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you on my next project. Bye for now.